तो सबसे पहले हम लोग देखते हैं अमेजन बेसिन को। द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट क्या है आपका, वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट ड्रेनेज सिस्टम and a tropical rainforest. Here you will see tropical rainforest covering parts of 9 South American states, primarily Brazil. So it features hot, humid climate, massive, high-volume Amazon River, diverse wetland, and unparalleled biodiversity, housing 10% of world's known species. It's also called lungs of Earth. Now, now let's see the geological structure. It's a massive sedimentary basin bordered by Guinea Silt to the north and the central Brazilian Silt to the south, and ecological of in the lungs of the planet. See, and to play crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide and regulating the global climate. Regulating the global climate. Now, looking at the indigenous population and environmental threat threatened by deforestation, forest fires, and climate change. Immense size. So, regarding the soil in Amazon basin, generally ancient, deeply weathered, highly क्या है आपका हाईली एसिडिक, न्यूट्रिएंट पुअर। क्या होता है कि बारिश होने से आपका जो अपर लेयर होता है वो वेदर हो जाता है, एंड कंसिस्ट मोस्टली ऑफ ऑक्सियल्स एंड अल्टीसोल्स. Despite supporting lush rainforest, the nutrients are primarily stored in the living biomass rather than the soil itself. Exceptions include nutrient-rich dark anthropogenic soil known as terra preta. So these are the podjos located in certain areas. These soils are sandy and often associated with heat forest. So looking at the Congo Basin, it's a 1.3 million square miles across six Central African nations, a world's second largest tropical rainforest and critical global carbon sink. This is a critical global carbon sink. It features a ball-shaped humid equatorial depression dominated by 2,900 miles long Congo River. Soils are predominantly acidic, nutrient poor and highly weathered. यहाँ भी उसी तरह है. Now looking soil. तो आपका देखिए हाइड्रोलॉजी डोमिनेटेड बाय कॉन्गो रिवर विच इज वर्ल्ड सेकंड लार्जेस्ट बाय डिस्चार्ज. क्लाइमेट वेरी हेवी अटलांटिक. और उसका देखिए टाइप्स में है आपका प्रीडोमिनेंटली कंपोज्ड ऑफ फेडोल्स एंड स्मॉलर अमाउंट्स ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ सॉइल. Quality pair due to high temperature and rainfall, soils are generally heavily weathered, acidic, nutrient poor, making them challenging for agriculture. Peatland, deep organic rich peatland exists in the central depression, acting as a massive carbon store. So इसको गौर करते हैं क्या है यहाँ पे. Peatland, deep organic rich peatland exist in the central depression, acting as a massive carbon storage. ठीक है, तो इस पॉइंट को याद रखना है. दिस थिंग इज अटैच्ड विद पीटलैंड किसके साथ है आपका, कॉन्गो बेसिन के साथ है, कॉन्गो बेसिन. नाउ वन मोर बेसिन दैट इज किकोरी बेसिन. ये क्या है, पापुआ न्यू गिनी में. इज ग्लोबली सिग्निफिकेंट बायोडाइवर्सिटी रिच रीजन स्पैनिंग फ्रॉम अल्पाइन ग्रासलैंड टू मैंग्रोव डेल्टास. क्या है, मैंग्रोव डेल्टास यहाँ पे मिलेगा. इट कवर्स ओवर 86,000 हेक्टेयर, 86,000 हेक्टेयर्स of protective areas harboring endemic species like blind cavern and lake कुटुबू. क्या आपका लेक कुटुबू रेनबो फिश. ठीक है, लेक कुटुबू रेनबो फिश आपका है इसमें. डिस्पाइट बीइंग होम टू सिग्निफिकेंट ऑयल एंड गैस डेवलपमेंट, इट रिमेन्स स्पार्सली पॉपुलेटेड प्रिस्टाइन फॉरेस्ट एरिया. ना लोकेशन एंड ज्योग्राफी को देखते हैं तो situated in the southern highland and Gulf province of Papua New Guinea, known for its high rainfall, often exceeding 5,000 to 8,000 mm annually, making it one of the wettest places on Earth. The basin features extensive limestone karst formation and drains in the Gulf of Papua. Now, biodiversity hotspot, the area is exceptionally diverse, containing over 100 fish species, 60 mammal species, 24 of the world's 38 species of bird paradise. Also host the this conservation status पे आते हैं, यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट टेंटेटिव लिस्ट में है. एंड इंक्लूड लेक कुटुबू वाइल्ड लाइफ मैनेजमेंट एरिया. तो लेक कुटुबू कहाँ पे आपका आता है, ये आता है किकोरी बेसिन. और दिस कैन बी 2026 यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स क्वेश्चन. लेट्स एज्यूम the region is home to diverse remote communities including the unique longhouse cultures of Mount Bosavi and Lake Kutubu. Now one more basin we have is Rio de la Plata basin, the second largest drainage basin in South America after Amazon basin. ये है covering nearly 1/4 of continental area across Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Paraguay, and Uruguay. Major economic, agriculture and transplantation hub draining in the Atlantic Ocean, massive. ये रहा आपका. Now, geography and scope basin covers approx 3.17 million square kilometer, making the fifth largest in the world. Act as a funnel collecting water from vast region and channeling it through Parana, Paraguay, Uruguay rivers in the Rio de Plata estuary. मेजर रिवर आप देख सकते हैं, जैसे प्राना, प्रागे, उरुग्वे हो गया, एस्टुरी हो गया, रियो दी ला प्लाटा 280 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग फनल शेप. Environmental feature facing contains the Pantanal, one of the largest wetland, one of the largest world's largest wetland. कौन है आपका? This Pantanal. Climate challenges. The region is heavily influenced by climate change with increased risk of flooding in the this delta. History signed 23 April 19 foster this development. Now coming to our question 16, which one of the following region has the world largest tropical peatland? देखिए अब आपका आ गया ट्रॉपिकल. ट्रॉपिकल में कौन कौन सा है आपका? अमेजोन है और कॉन्गो है. पीटलैंड आपको मिलेगा कॉन्गो में. पीटलैंड which holds about 3 years worth of global carbon emission from fossil fuels and possible destruction which can exert detrimental effect on the global climate. तो लोग यहाँ भी जा सकते हैं, जैसे लंग्स ऑफ प्लानट कहा जाता है. तो दिस विल बी करेक्ट. ये काफी कंफ्यूजिंग क्वेश्चन था. सो आंसर विल बी दिस कॉन्गो basin. Now let's understand this PFAS per polyfluoroalkyl substances, large group of synthetic forever chemicals including PFOA and PFOS used since the 1950s for their water, grease and heat resistance properties, known for its extreme persistent environmental and body due to strong carbon fluoride bonds. They are found in food packaging, non-stick cookware, firefighting foam and stain resistant coating. Exposure is linked to severe health issues including cancer, immune dysfunction and developmental effects. Forever chemicals do not easily degrade, meaning they accumulate in environment, water, soil, human blood. Common source found in stain resistant carpet, fabric, non-stick cookware, Teflon, waterproof clothing, food packaging, cosmetic, and firefighting foam. Exposure routes primarily through drinking contaminated water, eating food grown in contaminated soil, consuming fish, or using consumer products containing PFAS. PFAS. Now health effect पे आते हैं. तो looking at health studies linked to exposure to high cholesterol, increased cancer risk, kidney, testicular, thyroid disease, immune system impacts, and reduced vaccine response. Regulation and mitigation due to health risk. Specific compounds like PFOA are being phased out in the US and globally. EP is actively monitoring and setting regulation to reduce PFA in drinking water. This is formerly used in manufacturing this Teflon and commonly used in firefighting foam and stain repellents. Way to reduce exposure: avoid and check PFAS-free non-stick ware, and reduce consumption of fast food for or greasy food packaged in paper which may contain grease resistance coating. Grease resistance coating. Use water filter certified to remove PFAS if local water is contaminated. Now have a look at this question with reference to this and what are the used in making the consumer products consider following? They are found to widespread drinking water, food and packaging materials. Yes, correct. Are not easily degraded in the environment. Correct. Exposure to FFS can lead to bioaccumulation in animal bodies. Yes, correct. तो इसका आंसर होगा all 1 2 3. जनरली इस क्वेश्चन में, इस ऐसे क्वेश्चन में 1 2 3 ऑल ऑफ द अबव सही होता है.